Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Guys, I'm recovering little by little by God's grace. There's something I want to clear, because it's really tarnishing my name. You all know that I was being in cells, and then from there I went to jail. Since I came back from jail, a lot of people have been calling my business number, telling me that they've given money to some people to give it to me. And after I came back, I couldn't take their numbers to call them to say thank to them. You guys, you know, Poloo appreciate any little thing anyone does for her. Not to talk of someone giving me money to support me and my son. I want to say that I signed those called celebrity who people gave her money to send to me and my mother, which she was even posting the reference on her page. Any money that she sent, she posted on her page. I have not received any money from any person. Since I came back from jail, people have been calling me from UK and US, telling me that they've given money to someone to give it to me. And then I didn't say thank you, so I'm ungrateful. I have not received any money from anyone aside those called celebrity. A woman called yesterday, said she's called Aunt Ma Alice, when I was in town doing delivery. When she called, she said she has given money to this DKB, 4,000. She said she's called Ma Alice. My English is no good. She has given DKB 4,000 to give it to me. And I didn't say thank. And she doesn't want to see me. She doesn't know me, and she doesn't even want to see me. The woman talked very bitterly. So I picked up my phone. I called DKB. I called him. And I was thinking maybe he was busy, so he was going to return my call. Till now, he has not returned my call. Guys, I beg you, save me from this trauma. I have not received any money. If I have received, I will thank you, because I really appreciate. Aside those called celebrity, I have not received any money from anyone that you think you've given money to give it to me. I love you guys. Please, let's respect ourselves. You know, I'm a grateful being. Thank you.